Hello everyone, my name is Michael Danielak, and today I'll be teaching the basics of CAD using the program Fusion 360. What you guys see here is a completed model of my ear guard or mask holder. What this is, it pretty much just sits on the back of your head and takes the straps from your mask from your ear to just back to your head, so it keeps the pressure off your ear. So first off, we're going to learn how to open up a new file. The easy way is just to press this plus icon, the new design, or you could go over here to the left, click File, New Design. So we will start off by creating a basic sketch. As you guys can see, the axis popped up once we press Create Sketch. I'm going to choose the XY axis because that is the easiest to use. So we are going to start off by measuring our completed product to figure out some dimensions here. You can either press this ruler or press I. So now we will go back to our grid, our sketch. We are going to start off by clicking our line, and over here on the sketch palette, we are going to press construction. This makes it so the line will not be used in any extrusions later on, and it's just a line to help us measure. Now we will have to make the rectangles for each side. We are going to do it sort of difficult, not really. Okay, so for this next part, we have to create the curve. For this project, we use the fit point spline. It is sometimes difficult, but that's all right. So we just press any specific point. We click again to start it. Press it one more time right here, and we're just going to finish it off right here. Okay, so I just finished off mirroring these arcs. Now we're going to start off with this extension. We will start off by making just a basic 2-point triangle, 80 by 20 millimeters. Now we're going to finish the sketch, you just press this big green button, Finish Sketch. Now to make this a real plastic ear guard, we will press Extrude, and we will press every single circle and box there is. So I'm going to do that really quickly. We're done. Now we have our finished product. Once you are done, you definitely want to save. You can Control S or just press save. Change the name. We'll just go Principles of Engineering Project Tutorial and save. So our STL just finished exporting, but this is the printer I'm just going to show for the tutorial. We are going to go back to our file. I like just dragging and dropping because it's a lot easier. And grab the 3D object, copy it in. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this helped you learn the basics, the very basics of CAD and 3D printing. And yeah, hope you all have a good day and stay safe.